Hi friends, shall we play a game? Yes, today we are going to play a game and its name is time game. To play this game we need a mask and it is a mask of a wolf. And you have to ask Mr. Wolf, what is the time now? What is the time now? Ask Wolf, Mr. Wolf, what is the time now? Then the wolf will say, running time, you have to run. Wolf, Mr. Wolf, what is the time now? The wolf will say, study time. Then you have to show the action of study. Then wolf, again you have to ask, Wolf, Mr. Wolf, what is the time now? Then the wolf will say, clapping time. Then what will you do? Just clap. Wolf, Mr. Wolf, what is the time now? Yes, it is eating time. When the wolf will say eating, you have to run away. എല്ലാവരും ഓടിപ്പോയിക്കൊള്ളണം. ചെന്നായില്ലെങ്കിൽ പിടിച്ച് തിന്നും നിങ്ങളെ. Wolf, Mr. Wolf, what is the time now? Eating time. When you hear eating time, you have to run away. Otherwise, when the wolf will say study time, you have to show the action. Like studying. Brushing time, what will you do? Yeah, just brush. Washing time. Wolf, Mr. Wolf, what is the time now? Washing time. Then brushing time. Playing time. Every action you have to practice. Thank you.